Gikundi giki kiria gikoragwo gicagi-ini kia Mirera Naivasha gikoretwo gikiumba mahiga maya kwa ihinda ria mieri 3 mihituku ari ta njira imwe ya kwiyandika mawira kugerera kothi cia moko. Gikundi giki kiumbitwo ni andu ethi aria maheirwo mweke wa kuruta wira rungu rwa mubango wa Kazi Mtaani gatagati-ini ka angi amemba akio makiuga matacukirie ikinya riri mari na itanya ria kwiyandika mawira thutha wa mawira maria marutaga kuharaganio ni gututhuka kwa murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini.
And we trying to encourage the youth, the young people. It's not a matter of like calling on other people to come change our community. Whatever we have learned from where we were initially before the COVID season, can we bring it back to the community and at least uplift our livelihoods?
Kuringana na gikundi giki andu ethi matanyihiire 1,300 ni marikitie kugunika na mubango uyu wa kumba mahiga makihuthira thimiti. Riu makiuria thirikari nene kwanjia kuhe mibango ta ino mbeca niguo andu ethi mahote kwiyandika mawira.
Young people are unemployed because of lack of skills. Most of them go to white collar skills which normally does not pay. So what we are doing as a CBO and as Kazi Mtaani, we are targeting to make sure that we impact them with skills, hands-on skills, the ones that can use like cabros making and many other more that we are working on.
Oho gikundi giki kiugite kuma andu ethi makuruhanio hari mubango wa Kazi Mtaani waganu uria watabanagio itura-ini ria Karagita ni ucokete thi na gikiro kinene. Handu-ini ha Inoro FM kuma itura ria Mirera, Karagita, Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.